Hiring a music AI graduate fresh out of university is cheap, but is it worth it? Experienced audio AI engineers cost a lot. To save money, I've seen many companies employing recent graduates. They are relatively cheap when compared to more senior engineers. Generally, they are passionate and are super receptive. Unfortunately, hiring music AI graduates isn't always an effective strategy. In my consulting experience, I've seen many companies struggling to finalize projects with audio AI graduates. For example, I remember a startup company building a music tagging system. I had a few consulting sessions with these folks. They didn't have the budget to hire a team of experienced music AI engineers. As an alternative, they decided to recruit a bunch of PhDs fresh out of uni. They also hired some PhD students still at university. After 2 years of development, they still didn't have a marketable product. Why? Aren't PhDs smart people? Well, of course they are. However, they lack some skills and knowledge that can only be acquired in the trenches. Prolonged experience building audio AI solutions in the industry teaches you how to move from prototype to production. R&D is definitely important, but transferring research into production is even more important. Graduates deal with papers and toy datasets. Most of the time they don't have the opportunity to experiment with real-world problems. They haven't had the many upsets and failures necessary to build up their bag of music AI tricks necessary to navigate the complexity of the real world. Also, they haven't built infrastructure to deploy their research into production, implementing scalable and reliable solutions, which are key to music AI products. In short, there are certain aspects of audio AI that can't be learned in an academic environment. Sometimes you need to get your hands dirty. Does this mean you should never consider hiring a fresh graduate? Absolutely not. Whether it makes sense to hire a music AI graduate depends on your expectations and the company context. Hiring a fresh graduate is an okay option if you have a balanced AI team with senior engineers who can mentor the new hire. A graduate will need time and guidance to acquire the necessary skills to bring value to your company. It only makes sense to hire a graduate if you want to invest in that person and have the financial and time resources to do so. So, when is it ill-advised to recruit a recent audio AI graduate? 1. If you're thinking of a one-man show where the new hire will do everything from prototype to production. 2. If you are in a hurry and don't have time to invest in that new resource that you want to hire. 3. When your team doesn't have a strong music AI lead who can help that newcomer get the necessary skills or who can mentor that newcomer. In all of these situations, hiring a graduate will be counterproductive and definitely slow you down. To summarize, recruiting audio AI talent fresh out of uni can be a way of cutting costs, but it doesn't always work. If you can invest in the new hire and let them grow in a strong team, a fresh graduate can be a great asset. However, if you focus on getting your product done ASAP, consider hiring more experienced music AI engineers. It'll cost you more in the short run, but it'll save you a ton of money and time in the longer run. So far, we've talked a lot about hiring audio AI talent, but I know this can be very challenging. You may not know what to look for in candidates and perhaps don't have any idea where to start. At the Sound of AI, we offer a recruitment service specialized in music, audio, and speech AI talent. We are the only recruitment agency focused on audio AI talent. We leverage our music AI network and our community with more than 35,000 audio AI specialists to provide you with the best audio, music, and speech AI talent. If you're interested in learning more, please visit our website. I'll leave you the link in the description box below. Thank you for getting this far in the video. I'll see you next time. Cheers for now.